guys, what's up? We are here at the MGM to check out the casino floor. Let's get to the video.
Made it with a minute.
1 minute to spare, it opens. We're excited. We wanted to get one of the casinos opening. I know you guys didn't really vote on MGM. A couple of you did. They just let us in, you guys. So exciting. Ooh, she has oat milk cream pies. I feel like I need to go play a slot machine. You're gonna pick it, because you have good luck.
We gotta find Timberwolf.
Oh, so there's masks here, sanitation, and gloves if you want.
That's kind of cool. Here it is, guys.
Wow. I am excited. Look at it, guys. All these people are here to check in.
We gotta be the first one to play slot. Let's go.
Let's go play slot.
Said the first 5 people win, right?
That's what they were doing last night. Oh, there's
Big police.
That's not a,
I want to pet it.
that's a lab. I do too. So,
Enter only.
right?
Oh,
Metro. Let's do it.
find one.
Find something good. Slot World. Yes. So, I don't really see many hand sanitation places everywhere. Table games are getting open over there. Wait, where? This guy?
Yes. Okay, I'm gonna stand from afar. Did that hit?
I was at 10:04. I had 4 cents more. All right, where are we gonna go? We got 9:44. I should have brought more cash. Sorry, guys.
Okay, let's find another. I love those machines.
Buffalo?
Yeah, because those ones can stay open all the way.
Oh yeah, right.
They do have dividers.
Oh, so MGM has the dividers, guys. See the divider?
Yeah. Minimum 15, maximum 5 grand.
Right? That's crazy. Crazy.
Trying to make all that money back.
Yeah.
Guess this way.
Roulette doesn't have them, but I read they're gonna make you wear masks if you're playing certain ones. So the blackjack ones do, and poker have the dividers. Wow, you guys. Crazy, huh? So...
And washing station. What?
Where am I missing? Oh, wow.
Now we're going over there.
Yeah.
No, we're not. They're scary.
It's okay.
We'll go at the end.
Alrighty. Let's pick out some slots over here.
We're like the only people in this section.
I know, right? You guys, we have Slot World all to ourselves. That means Colin
Never
has
mind.
to take it.
Yes.
That guy's shirt says "Make America Drunk Again."
Maybe we could play one of the closed machines.
I don't think you can put one in.
Yeah, you can. You can put one in this one.
Try something to drink? No thank you. I appreciate it.
It's not Timber one.
Buffalo. Missed that eagle sound. So the poker room over here is not open right now. Let's see if it says anything about when they're going to reopen.
House rules.
That lady's on standby to clean machines.
10% maximum rate.
Oh, that's just the house rules. So MGM poker room is not open right now. I'm not sure when it will reopen. There's the poker room.
Kiosk is not ready. Better get ready.
Where do we want to go? Big one right here.
Big one.
Right here.
Sure.
Alright.
Stop touching the screen, please. Don't know what that was.
Here we go. That's a little jig. Yeah. Come on, $16. Should we keep going?
2 more.
One.
Yay! Oh wait, no, we got the coin bush things.
No, we got these. Oh, you gotta get one in this one. One more?
Yeah.
Alright. We just like playing a little bit. I'm not a big gambler.
But we did make $10.
Make $10.
Okay, we gotta find more.
Let's go. Where you wanna go now?
Heat 'em up.
Huh?
Heat 'em up.
Heat them up. Alrighty. Here we go. Ooh. Ooh, we won 6 cents.
Instant stack awarded.
It's hot. Let's see what it is.
Yeah, $2.
Only about 40 cents. I like the music. Ooh, 3 cents. Oh, keep winning 3 pennies. Come on, give us something good. Should we stop at 20?
One more.
One more? One. Yay!
Spin the power wheel.
Wipe the spin, ready? Which, to the right or to the left? Okay, so that way or this way?
Right. Great spin.
Bonus game awarded.
Oh gosh. Swipe to the right or left. Left.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hi guys. Hotel security. Are you over 21?
No.
You know. Okay. Are you guys from here? Do you understand how gaming law works?
Not really.
Okay, let me explain to you real quick. So if you're under 21, you cannot stand in a gaming area doing what you're doing right now. You're breaking
okay.
gaming law. I know you don't know, it's no big deal.
Okay.
As long as you're moving, as long as you're going somewhere, you're fine. But
Okay.
as soon as you stop on the floor, that's when you're breaking gaming law here.
Okay.
Alright? You got it? You're winning, huh? Okay, so maybe take a stroll, come back.
Alrighty.
As soon as you stop, you're not 21, you're gonna get hassled, okay?
Okay.
So that's what we gotta do.
Thank you.
Have a great trip, man.
You too. A whole $7.
Alright, should we go somewhere else?
Yeah.
Alright.
Good job, heat 'em up.
Alright. So Colin got in trouble, but we took our $10 and now we're up to $27. I can't believe how thin it is compared to
We'll go this way and then we'll go back and then we'll go out that way. Oh look, that one's off because it's not 6 feet apart.
door closed.
Oh wait, they're all off.
They're all, I think there's something wrong with them.
Thank you for not eating in the casino area. That's weird.
Alrighty. So now security's on to us. Should we just go to another casino?
No.
Alright.
Security's not onto us. He saw I had a
He
camera.
just looked at us. This guy over here is watching us. Alright, we got Jabberwockies. We saw them. It's a cool show.
Huh, was.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Like I said, I'm not sure when that, because their seating in there is real tight. You're like...
Let's go see the wash station. Let's go see what it is.
Oh, I'd rather wash my hands than use sanitizer anyway. Thank you. These are masks and gloves. Okay.
Ah.
So, there's actual soap and water. Yeah. Unless you'd rather use hand soap and than sanitizer. I hate sanitizer. Thank you. You're welcome. Oh. So she's got to clean it
Yep.
right after someone uses it, which is weird because it's soap and water.
It doesn't
You
matter.
want gloves?
No.
I see a lot more people in here with masks. Yeah. I don't know when they're going to reopen shows. Alright, it looks like there's a couple people over at the craft table.
Will you roll the dice?
Yeah, would you have to wear gloves? And then all the table games have hand sanitizer, so if you want sanitizer
Most of
in
them
between
do.
card games, one doesn't. That one they don't open ever.
Crush.
There are so many executives right now going through here, right?
Yeah.
Everybody's in suits.
I feel like I need to be in one.
Yeah.
So,
Has MGM went
What?
non-smoking?
let's see. Is there any ashtrays in this area?
This must be a non-smoking area.
Hey, wait. The sports book's gone. What?
Well, they're all old things.
Maybe the horse racing.
Sometimes you just want to.
Yeah, the horse racing is.
They're still going. Oh yeah, they all have masks on.
Yeah. This venue is closed. What? Where did all the games go? Fresh paint.
I know, it smells like it.
I feel like this would be like the perfect time to shoot a music video in a casino. Oh, it's hot. It's hot.
Is this for
Woo! Yeah.
Alright guys, we're headed over to New York because they opened the same time MGM did. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed our video of MGM. On to the next one.
Does the water have money in it?
We go to the front.
Pre-pros Corona.